Today, 25th September 2020, China NMPA published number 104 notice, which is about the requirement of localization of medical devices manufactured outside of China. And it says the foreign manufacturer who established the manufacturing site within mainland China and produces class 2 or class 3 medical devices there, the devices are same as imported ones from the manufacturer that have been approved by NMPA. When they registering these domestic or made in China medical devices, most of the technical documentation that was submitted for imported medical device registration can still be used for the new submission. The applicant has to make sure of the relevance and supportiveness of the documents between the original submission and domestic registration. The applicant also needs to ensure that the materials and the production processes are the same and compare the QMS between foreign and domestic sites. The competent authority will conduct inspections, mainly focus on the QMS equivalence, traceability, and the associated risks due to the changes of QMS. This requirement is applicable for all the foreign manufacturers, Hong Kong, Taiwan, or Macau companies, and also applicable for the overseas company that is invested by the Chinese company. It has to be noted that the MAH policy is not applicable. So the manufacturer, if they set the Chinese company that they cannot authorize the other Chinese company to manufacture their devices, that means the OEM is not applicable. And for the imported medical devices, the license has to be valid, and the domestic license then will be connected to the imported ones. And in the future, NMPA will put more efforts on the post-market surveillance for the domestic medical devices to ensure the safety and the quality of this kind of product. So to connect with our video's topic, the clinical evaluation, I will emphasize that the clinical evaluation documents are also within the scope of this requirement, which means the previous CER is still applicable. However, if your legacy products have been placed on the Chinese market for a long time, and there might be no clinical evaluation report ever submitted before, if you do this, you may still need to prepare it for the new submission. And we will continue our topics for the next time, and see you then.